Namaste. Welcome to the day 4 of Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. Hi, I'm Sneha, the founder of Stress Less with Sneha J, and your host for this 21-day Mindfulness Meditation Challenge. In today's practice, we are going to give ourselves a new lens to examine our body. We are going to reflect 4 elements of nature and see how we feel their presence inside of our body. What are these elements? Air, water, fire, and earth. So let's start with our meditation practice. Find a space that is quiet. You can either sit on the floor or on the chair like me. Make sure your feet are touching the floor. Your back is straight. And your palms are facing down. You can leave them on your thighs or your knees. And then slowly close your eyes. And if you are feeling anxious to close eyes, you can also have your gaze downwards. Just notice what is going on inside. First, let's connect with the earth element. Notice where in your body can you feel the earth element. Earth element is all the materials that you can touch, minerals, your body parts, the feeling of touch. Anywhere else inside your body that you can feel connected with the element of earth. Now let's connect with the element of air inside our body. Notice where you can connect with the element of air. Is it at the nostrils where you can feel the breath coming in and out? Is it in the throat? Chest? Is it in the belly? Anywhere else that you can feel space inside your body, and notice the element of air. Now let's connect with the element of fire inside our body. And when it comes to fire, the way we can feel it inside our body is to feel the heat inside our body. Where do we feel more hot? Where do you feel that inside heat or hunger in our body? Connect with the heat and warmth in your body. Now finally, let's connect with the element of water in our body. Notice where you can feel the water element. It is the biggest element in our body. Do you feel the water element as you swallow in your throat? Is there the water element in the blood that runs through our veins and arteries? As you feel connected to each element in your body, slowly come back to the awareness of your entire body. Wiggle your toes and fingers and slowly open your eyes. Notice how relaxed and calm you feel. Notice the awareness inside of you. As always, write down in your journal how you felt before entering this meditation practice and how you felt after being done with this meditation practice. Make sure to write your comments below this video. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and ring the bell for notifications. Also sign up for the challenge in the description below and share it with your friends. When you sign up for the challenge, you will get all these videos in your inbox every day for 21 days. Thank you so much again for making mindfulness a part of your life. I will see you tomorrow again with day 5 of this challenge. Namaste.